Welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. Today I have the July 2025 Sketchbox. I'm going to do an unboxing and I am going to try to be artistic in an artsy-fartsy video showing you the products. So this is the box. It arrived to my house a few days ago. They always give you a nice pamphlet, and what's new lately with Sketchbox is they give a pamphlet with a tutorial to draw with me, and this month's theme is a landscape. So you have the option of drawing with them. And then on the back page are the products in this box. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I'm going to take out the small stuff first. We have a beautiful long number 4 round paintbrush. The Sketchbox original or Sketchbox signature paintbrush. Here we go. I love the quality of their bristles and the paintbrushes that I've received before in past boxes. And when I went on a little spending spree, I've loved them. Very good quality. So that's the first item that is in this month's box. And then we have a Neocolor. I don't have any Neocolors. This is a Neocolor II dark gray pencil. And what's great about Neocolors, the Neocolor IIs are water soluble, which means when you draw on paper and then you apply water to it, like with a paintbrush, it acts like a watercolor on the paper. It's great. It'll blend and you can get different shades, or you can just use it as a crayon. But I love watercolor soluble type items. This is great. This is just what I needed because I'm interested in both Neocolor 1s and 2s. So this is a 2. Then we got a book. This is one of those accordion zigzag books, which I do not have. It is 300 GM, 140 pound paper, 18 sheets by, I'm not even going to say it. It's a German name. I don't speak German. Sorry, I don't know. But let's open it up, and it's an accordion size book. Isn't that great? Oh my goodness. So you get to use both front and back side, and this is perfect for when you're traveling. Love it. It's obviously very lightweight too. And then this is why I bought the box, was these watercolors. This is a signature Sketchbox 12 pan watercolor travel tin. I don't have any travel tins whatsoever. So this is something I needed, I wanted. I've looked at other companies' travel tins. I've never bought them before. So I figured, what the hey, let's get the Sketchbox. So yeah, this is my first time even holding a travel tin in my hands. I've never held one of these before. Very nice. Oh, it comes with a little sticker, which I'm going to stick over there. And then you open it like this. And then you open it like this. And you have your little pans. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. You can mix your colors here, here, and beautiful colors from Berlin blue to Payne's gray. I love Payne's gray. This is a universal favorite color. Actually, this crayon almost even looks like a Payne's gray. It's very similar. So let's go ahead. I am going to unwrap every color off camera, put it in the pan, and do some art, some swatching art. I like to do watercolor doodling. Have you ever done that before? It's great for beginners like me, where you doodle, where you lay down your watercolor either in 1, 2, 3 layers, whatever you choose, and then you go on top of it with markers or gold leaf paint or white pencil or white gel pens. And that's what I'm going to create on a piece of paper, showcasing all of these colors. So if you want to know about Sketchbox, I will leave a link down in the description box. I also have a little storefront there where if you shop through my storefront, you're going to get 10% off your order. I'll leave the links down in the signature box. It's totally up to you if you want to use them. It's at no extra cost to you. And thanks for watching today, guys. I so appreciate it. This is the July, just as a reminder, the July 2025 Sketchbox. Beautiful things. We got the paints. We got the brush, the number 4. We got the Neocolor II, which is water soluble, acts like a watercolor crayon, and the accordion travel book, 18 pages. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Well done, Sketchbox. Okay, I'll see you if you want to stick around. You'll see the rest of the process video. Most of it will be set to music. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I'm gonna put this in order. I'm gonna put through an order to make you love me as I am. I'm gonna put this in order. I'm gonna put through an order to make you love me as I am. I can't be strong enough for both of us. That would tear me all apart. I can't be strong enough for both of us. You can't keep playing the wrong cards. If this is how you think you can love me, you better forget it, baby. If this is how you think I can spend my life, you better forget it, baby. I'm gonna bring you to your senses. I'm gonna show you what you mean to say when you hold me right there in your arms. I'm gonna rewrite the music. I'm gonna laugh when I'm losing to make me love me as I am. 'Cause I can't be strong enough for both of us. That would tear me all apart. I can't be strong enough for both of us. You can't keep playing the wrong cards. This is how you think you can love me. Better forget it, baby. You better forget it, baby. If this is how you think I can spend my life, you better forget it. You better forget it, baby. I'm gonna rewrite the music. I'm gonna laugh when I'm losing. I'm gonna rewrite the music. I'm gonna laugh when I'm losing. This is how you, this is how you think you can love me. Forget it. Bum, 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 Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close. I'm just a beautiful ghost. I love you, you know this. I thought you had noticed I'd never make the move. Leave it all up to you, 'cause I'm good at mistakes. I don't wanna take the blame, leave it all up to you. Don't wanna get over you. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so good, when you always see me through. On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close, baby. I'm just a beautiful ghost. Ooh. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so good, when you always see me through. Even if I reply, even if I make mistakes, and if I push you away, deep down I'm hoping you stay. Been up since sunrise, trying to find a way to fix the bridges that would burn anyway. The night is foggy like a broken LA. My flat is haunted by the sound of your name. My feet are numb and I got nothing to say. Should I feel guilty that I'm doing okay? Went from 120 foot on the brake. I wish you well, now I'll go get some rest. See you later, babe. I'm so thankful for the mess we made. I am glad that I didn't stay. If you could see me now, I'd give you a hug. That day in London was the end and the start of me as mine, and I am so proud of that.